Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 28/7/2024 and the time is roughly around 8 o'clock. And first of all, thanks to everyone for the donation which you people contributed for the special childrens to go and get the blessings from Lord Balaji in Tirupati, and that too the VIP darshan. So thanks to everyone for the contribution. My humble pranam to everyone, and I will definitely do a live trading with you people for your contribution, and let's see what God is there to bless us. Okay, number one. Number two, we already discussed a lot more about Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks, many stocks in our weekly forecast webinar, and the way in which the market is going, and especially Nifty, something is really not right, and we will talk about all that in the webinar, in the video. Okay, so now let's first talk about this. This is the book date. And first, this is the inversion. It gave 5%. Again, this is the inversion. It gave 5%. Now this is the third one. Now it has to give 5%, and the target is 25587. So now we clearly said 19th is the date. 19th is the book date. Now more or less Nifty is closed exactly there only. So now any daily close above here, then the possibility is first this 5% up to this and 5% above here. If any close below this, but we should not take this because this is the price action where it had a major sideways movement. So any close below this, that's why I marked from here, any close below this, it has to give you 5% on the downside. So now we need to watch how the next candle, the tomorrow candle, is going to close, whether it is going to close above this high or a gap up, open and close below. We need to watch that. But why I am telling that market is really not good. Normally, if you see the market, the inversion of these dates, if the third one happens, then something seriously wrong in the market. Maybe it is artificially moved or whatever it is, but something is really wrong. See, even after the 2 inversion, the third, it should not give an inversion. It has to give the 5% on the downside. But it is not giving, and again it is moving up. In Bank Nifty, it is more or less fine, but when it comes to Nifty, seriously something is wrong. Keep this in your mind. Okay, so now at least it has to give 5% on the downside here. Otherwise, it's very difficult. But now even if you see that June 4th here, this is the June 4th candle. This is a 10% candle, but it got recouped in a matter of days. But the date started from here. And we have already done our previous analysis. So if you come here, we said third will be the top date, and we said 5% downside will be below the third low. So now if you take the 5% low from here, the 5% is done. It gave roughly around 8%. So up to this, the market is right. But here the market is literally not looking something good here. Once it achieves this target, you need to be very cautious on the market, because this is a third inversion and it is achieving that 5%. Another 700 points more here. If that happens, the fall will not be like 10% like this. The fall will be a drastic one, because it is not respecting the seasonality for the continuous 3 cycle, which is really not good for the market. But always market will do like this, because people when say the market will come down, market will never come down. So that's how the market goes. So what we can do is We will try to be with the trend, but little cautious on the higher side somewhere here. Instead of going for 40-50 lots, we can reduce it to 10 lots or even 5 lots and protect the capital. And till now there is no problem, because even in 1 hour time frame, if you see in Nifty, this is 1 hour time frame in Nifty, and this is the genuine sell here. More or less fake sell and genuine sell came on the same candle, and this candle is held. So till it is going to hold this candle, nothing to worry about it. But whenever you are going to get a 1 hour G cell candle, and if one candle closes below this candle, you need to be very cautious on the Nifty. If you go to Bank Nifty, see, this is Bank Nifty, and it gave a G cell candle here, the sell as well as the G cell candle here. Okay, and a candle close to below. So this is fine, no problem. Now all these will have a major resistance. I will come to Bank Nifty little later. So based on the book also, you need to be very cautious. And tomorrow Bank Nifty is having a low date tomorrow. Bank Nifty having a low date tomorrow. The high date was exactly done. Now the low date is happening tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Actually, the date was 28th of July. So 28th of July is holiday. So then we need to take tomorrow, and I will come to the Bank Nifty little later. So now when it comes to Nifty, as I told you already, that till it is not going to, normally when it breaks here, because this is the confirmed one, so till it is not going to touch this number, it will go and touch this number, this line. But if you come to Bank Nifty, exactly it got rejected at the top fork, and it came all the way to the green, and now it has started moving up. So unless and until Bank Nifty is not going to go below this pitchfork green line, there is no worry, and tomorrow is the low date of Bank Nifty. It means tomorrow, let's say any candle comes anywhere, wherever it comes, if it holds the low of this candle, 5% move will be there in Bank Nifty on the upper side. If it closes below, it is called inversion. Then 5% below this candle. 5% below this candle. So now tomorrow is the low date, and PSU Bank is having 7 combinations tomorrow. PSU Bank is having 7 combinations tomorrow with the combination of Jupiter. So tomorrow is the major day for Bank Nifty. So watch out for Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So now let's come to the Nifty. So now till it holds this, the possible target is here, and I have already given all the targets to my people, those who joined my weekly forecast webinar. And when it comes to Nifty, we clearly said this is the vulnerable area, and if it holds this baseline low, there is no problem. That is what we said in our last weekly forecast webinar. You can go and check it. So it exactly came and took the support at the baseline, and even the sleek camp is got invalid. The stock went up, the index went up. So there is no problem till it is above the baseline and the conversion line. Then when it comes to Fibo, the next target based on the Fibonacci is 25,260. Let's watch this number. I don't go with Fibonacci, I have my own GAN numbers. So this is based on the Fibonacci. 25,260 is the next target. So now when it comes to 1 hour timing candle, this was the timing candle which we gave, that 19th July 11:15 to 12:15 will be the decider. So the total width of this candle is roughly around 50 points, and for 50 points it has roughly given from ear to ear, which is roughly around 1:10. Very simple. 1 hour candle has given roughly around 600 points, and the total stop loss is roughly, even if you take the higher high here also you can keep the stop loss, but based on this timing candle it is given 1:10 return. Okay, right. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. So now Bank Nifty got the exact rejection at the pitchfork. So now break above this. This is the extension it will go. Now it has taken the support, so it should not break below this. So tomorrow candle, which is the low candle based on the book, we need to see how it is going to react. So now if it holds here, the next possibility is the blue color line. Okay, that is the fag end of the pitchfork, and after that the extension will start. These are all the extension when it comes to pitchfork. These are all extensions. So now this is the complete fork: blue color line, green color line, median line, green color line, and this is the last pitchfork thing. And if you want the extension, if you take, these are all the extension of the targets. Okay, right. So now let's go to Ichimoku, and we said very clearly this area is vulnerable for Bank Nifty up to 9 candles, and now this is the 9th candle here. So now more or less the low is held, it is going up. Even if it comes down, if it rejects here, the possibility is it will try to come down here and take the support from this area. So now watch out for this number. So these two are very crucial on the upper side when it comes to Ichimoku in Bank Nifty. Then when it comes to Fibonacci, it went and touched 0.786, and now it is holding it, but predominantly till it is not crossing this again, the possible target is 0.5, which is 49,514. So tomorrow will be the deciding day for the Bank Nifty. And when it comes to Bank Nifty 1 hour, we clearly said this is the G cell close to below, so the resistance is here. So now when it comes to the timing candle of Bank Nifty, this is the timing candle of Bank Nifty 19th, 11:15 to 12:15, and the total width of this candle is roughly around 140 rupees. So now a candle closed below, the stop loss is the recent high. This is the recent high of the candle, and based on that particular timing candle till now, it has given roughly around from here to here. So for roughly around 140 points, it has given a target of 1,832 points. But anyway, we are not going to cover exactly here. It is impossible to cover that. But even if you make 1:5 or 1:10, it's a good amount to cover it off. Okay, so that's how the timing candle plays the vital role in stock market. So now let's go and see the PPT numbers. So coming to the PPT numbers, last week we clearly wrote that this is the clear cut, one second. This was the number we said the price reversal zone. It's only the matter of roughly around 15 points. That is where the market took the support and went to 24,700 level. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, we gave two numbers which are very crucial here: 50,879 to 50,841. Break below, the next number is here. And we clearly said if it breaks 52,006, the bulls will be in trouble till 50,560. Break below this number, the bulls will be in trouble till 50,560. So now if you go to the Bank Nifty chart, 50,560. That was the low of 25th July, and next day it was a gap down, again it moved up. So that was the exact low of 25th July, 50,560. One number did the magic, and below this the target was 5306, but I think it has not achieved that number. Yeah, it does not achieve that number. Okay, right. So now let's go to the coming week. So now this is the date which you need to understand. Now the Nifty is closed above it and Bank Nifty is struggling a little bit, and this is the monthly number. I don't want to again talk about all this, and maybe the first target, since it is close to below, the target is, the first target is 51,972 based on this number. And tomorrow I will give the weekly bullish number and bearish number, and you can use it for the expiry. And coming to the GAN, and the blockbuster was Ashok Leyland and Adani Port, and many stocks did extremely well. But this is where we held the quantity in a big time, and it gave a lot of money for us, because Ashok Leyland is the stock of the month for August, and we are telling this from last 10-15 days, and we took the position on Tuesday, and it has given us solid money to us, and we are expecting some more on this, and maybe my first target is this one, and the second target is this one for this move. Okay, and Nifty closed above July 19th, more or less it closed at the number, and Bank Nifty is below 19th low, and tomorrow Bank Nifty low date based on the book with the Jupiter aspect. PSU Bank is having a combination of Monday. First 15 minutes high and low will do the needful, especially for Bank Nifty. If the market comes down, go short in Bank Nifty. If the market is bullish, go long in Nifty, because Nifty is already bullish. Bank Nifty is struggling. Okay, and again the timing for Monday is here. You can use it, and let's go and talk about the number. So as we clearly said earlier, we covered this, till the market holds this number, the target is 25,569, and Bank Nifty is already more or less achieved the target. So now coming to the numbers, all the numbers are bullish. So now all these numbers will act as a support for Nifty future, and till Nifty is holding this number, the targets are here, and this is the crucial number, because this is the last target of the purity of breakout. The purity of breakout happened on 23,085. So based on the move of this, the target has to be achieved, this one, and anything above this, these are all the extra cushion. On the higher side. And if the Nifty crosses this particular number and closes above, then the new cycle will begin. On the upper side. So the PRZ zone on the resistance side is 25,094 to 25,110, and the support level is already given here. Until Nifty holds this particular number, bulls will be in control. And bear side, go short below this number, and the target is already given on the downside. And when now the Nifty future number, all the numbers are bullish, but when it comes to Bank Nifty, the major numbers are in minus only. Okay, so unless and until two numbers comes to blue, positional long is not advised. You can do intraday long, no problem at all, but the positional long is not advised. So tomorrow, if the market opens higher, the first resistance is here, the second resistance is here, and third resistance is here. Once the market closes above the third resistance, then you can positionally go long. Or in case tomorrow, let's say you are buying at, let's say, this number, and the market is closing above this number, then you can carry forward your position for day after, for Tuesday or Wednesday or whatever it is, and you can be with the trend. But when it comes to Nifty, it closed above this number. It more or less on Friday, it opened near to this number, and it was a full side rally on the upper side. Okay, so now coming to the spot numbers, the spot numbers are already here, so kindly use it wisely. And we already talked about many stocks for the coming week, those who are having the major combinations based on time cycle, which we gave in the weekly forecast webinar. And you need to join that to get it. And that's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. If there is any new update, kindly watch it. And PEL is in our radar for around 450 points move from here, and I've already given the number in my Telegram channel. So watch out for PEL. And Tata Motors is really rocking. Let's see what all we are going to see tomorrow. Okay, until then, goodbye.